Interesting fun facts about geography. To increase your interest, here are some real but crazy and astonishing things you really want to know. These will help you to increase your knowledge. Before starting the video, subscribe our channel for more updates. Let's start. 1. The amazing location of Africa. Africa is situated in all 4 hemispheres, such as the southern, the northern, the eastern, and the western. You will not find any other country in all the hemispheres. It is in a central location. Therefore, it is the only mainland on the equator and prime meridian. 2. Landlocked countries. In the world, 3 countries are entirely surrounded by countrysides like San Marino, the Vatican, and Lesotho. South African border landlocked Lesotho and Italy surrounds Vatican City and San Marino. 3. Alaska is the easternmost and westernmost state. Alaska is geographically placed as the northernmost and westernmost state in the USA, making sense if you check the map. Surprisingly, the state successfully manages its position in the easternmost state also. Some zones of Alaska are west, and the state stretches in an eastern hemisphere. At the bottom and top of the world, longitude lines congregate. Alaska, Poconi Point, has an easternmost longitude of in a country. 5. No rivers in Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia does not have lakes, rivers, and areas abundant with natural vegetation because of no rainfall. People of Saudi Arabia use desalination plants and oases to get sufficient water. Surprisingly, Saudi Arabia is surviving without any significant and natural source of water. National efforts brought changes to the deserts of Saudi Arabia and create more demands for resources of water. The best example is the intense greenery in different regions. This greenery is not created by nature. 6. Vatican. The Vatican has the smallest area, such as 5 square kilometers or 2 square miles. The large city area is 263,953 square kilometers or 101,912 square miles. It is Ulaanbaatar in Inner Mongolia, northeastern China. Want to learn more on the Vatican and other historic places and events? Read the top 50 history fact. 7. Los Angeles, West Nevada, and Reno are Los Angeles West. You may not find this fact even while looking at your map. Reno is in Nevada, almost 300 miles away from the ocean. It is almost 86 miles beyond west as compared to Los Angeles coastal city. 8. Maine is not too far. Maine Estcourt Station is New England's northernmost community. It is the highest municipality of the beautiful Great Lakes. The town is linked to frigid winters. Surprisingly, it is farther south as compared to other cities through the Atlantic. London is an almost 300 miles small Maine North community. Estcourt Station is farther than Paris, Brussels, and Amsterdam in the south. 9. Surprising truths regarding Texas. As compared to the dense population of New York City, the population would cover only 254 square miles. It means the world could adjust the whole world in Texas. For comparison, if population density is similar to Houston, Texas, it might cover only 169,085 square miles. Hypothetically, it would fit more than 7 billion individuals in a regional half in the size of the USA. Undoubtedly, this fact is impressive. 10. Mount Everest is not closer to space. Mount Everest is mostly known as the tallest mountain in this world. Thus, it has the highest point on this Earth, and it is easy to think that this mountain is closer to space. At the same time, the Earth has a slightly oval shape. Planet Earth is inflated slightly around the equator. For this reason, Kenya and Ecuador have an edge. The additional elevation of Mount Chimborazo in Ecuador is 20,064 feet tall, and it is nearby to stars. 11. Mexico has the biggest pyramid. Egypt is famous for its beautiful pyramids, but you will be surprised to know that Mexico has the most giant pyramid. This pyramid is known as Cholula and is covered in green grass. The pyramid has another name, Tlachihualtepetl. It is the largest pyramid in terms of volume and archaeological site. 12. Water. Around Australia. Australia is bordered by water, but it does not have the longest coastline in the world. It is its own continent and surrounded entirely by water. For this reason, it will be surprised that it does not have the longest coastline in the world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting video.